get my glove off. All right. Oh, now we got dead wind. I can take off.
Okay.
There it goes. All right, left hand hammerhead. And right hand snap. Into a hover or high alpha. Now I'm gonna come around to hover. Hovering. Oh, I lost. There we go. All right, gonna roll in. All right, going straightening out, bailing out. I can feel the fuel in it.
How can you feel the heaviness?
Yeah, just a little bit. All right, level pass. Vertical. Left hand hammerhead.
Gotcha. Right there off your nose, following you down.
All right. I'm gonna go vertical and then I'm gonna do an inverted flat spin when I get to the top. And I'm pushing it over right now. All right, flat spin inducing now. Nice, bailing. All right, gonna come over the runway, do inverted pass. All right, I'm gonna push over and out.
Okay.
Vertical. Oops, wrong way on the rudder. There you go. All right, high alpha rolls. Oh, now it's a dive. And a right hand snap. And I'm going high alpha. High alpha, and then I'm gonna try to go to a hover. It's not gonna happen. Bailing out. Coming around to the runway, level pass. High rolls. All right. Vertical, and I'm going into flat spin. And I'm bailing. Ooh, snap. That was a low rate snap, but it was a high speed. All right, doing some hovering. Doing high alpha, it fell out, so I'm just doing high alpha rolling circles. All right. Uh-oh, there we go. All right, gonna do a high speed pass. Keeping her level and right side up. And vertical into a right hand snap. right, making a turn back around and rolling inverted again. Vertical. Gonna try a right side up spin when I get to the top here. All right, so we're gonna go full right rudder, full elevator. Oh, it's not doing it.
Oh, you probably need full left rudder.
Yeah, because of,
Right
yeah.
I got no battery.
Yeah, let me get some. All right, let's try it again. All right. All right, and then I'm gonna try it right now. High rates, full right rudder.
Left rudder.
Left rudder. There it is.
Beautiful.
All right, and I'm bailing. There it is. Little knife edge. Ha ha! There we go.
I got time for maybe one more move.
All right, I'll do flat spin. All right. Popping it over inverted. And I'm bailing. All right, go ahead, come on in. Oh, go ahead, go ahead. I'm high and safe. Good, good?
Yeah, I probably could have got another minute, but it would have been long.
Yeah, don't risk it. All right, let's see if I can keep the wheels pointed down on this landing.
8 minutes.
Keep the fucking shiny side up.
Looks like it's still recording.
The fucking gas.
Oh, oops.